Hello, my name is Mark Evans. This is week 2 of mobile game design, and this week we continue on making the game high-low. And before I start, I'm going to answer the 3 questions, and then I'll give you a little preview of where I'm at so far. Okay, so what did you find the most valuable this week? I would say learning how to use the rec CG point within a bounding box of an entity or a sprite, and being able to tell if another one intersects with that was very valuable, because it allowed me to determine collision and be able to react to that within the game. Second question, what did you find most challenging? On the same note, I would say that just dealing with that whole process of learning a way to detect if two sprites or entities collide, that was a bit challenging, especially trying to enable the touch functionality on the screen and incorporate how to get my application to react upon if one sprite touches another. Um, uh, Part of just it wasn't so hard to actually um, implement these things separately, but to tie it all together was a bit challenging. List a few things that you could use more clarification. Um, I was looking into another way of how to detect collision by using Box2D, and it's basically a physics library for Cocos 2D. It's a separate thing, and just trying to understand and grasp the concepts of that would be nice to learn a little bit about, because it looks like that is the specific library that is responsible for developing a game like Angry Birds, where you can sling an object into another object and it acts as if it's in a real live world, where it has gravity and different devices can fall and bounce and do all kinds of neat things to kind of bring a game to life. Maybe learning a little bit about that would be kind of cool. Um, but outside of that, those are the questions. Now I'll give you a little preview of where I'm at for this week. So the app loads. You got your background noise here. I got the leaderboard working in the sandbox, so you can kind of see high scores and leaderboards. You go hit start. You start out with the score up on the top left of 1500, and if you click on the coin menu here, you'll get a sprite that comes out, and once you slide it into the ante box, it'll detect that and it will call that you bet 100. Same thing if you did 25, and like we're within that zone, so it'll add the 25. Now let's say I hit one and I don't quite collide with the anti-spot, it will remove the chip and not add it to the betting spot. So this is my way of doing my collision, and as you can see here, I got my bet. If I hit up, I just lost, so if I hit down, I won 225. I lost 225. So I mean, the game concept is relatively simple. You can clear it and you can start again. So you slide something in, and that's how the bet goes on there. I know for next week we'll need to have the pause button, but I already have that configured. So you hit pause and pause the screen. If you click anywhere, it'll resume the game. So yeah, had a draw there. That's pretty much my game for the time being, and try to expand on that for next week. Alright, that's it. Take care. Enjoy.